Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to get this thing into Revit in such a way that when you change values, um, if you decide to make a change later on, it will update in Revit. That's linking the file. And it's a little bit of a process. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to save this file, particularly this sheet, in Excel on your computer. Revit doesn't like to go find Excel from Google Drive. So you're going to have to save it on your computer, probably in your W drive or something like that. I'm just going to put it in my downloads. Then we're going to fix it up so it looks good. Then we're going to open an AutoCAD file and link that spreadsheet into an AutoCAD file. Then we're going to link that AutoCAD file into Revit. So, whew, here we go. File, download as Excel. And there it is. So that's it. Now, I'm going to open that with Excel. So I got to go find my downloads. Here it is, right here. It's the one I just did. Open with Excel. And I'm going to delete a couple of rows. And I'm going to delete a couple of columns that are not needed. Oops, actually, I'm going to delete that whole thing. I just want this one right here. So I'm going to delete that. There we go. And this is the information I want. So I'm cleaning it up. And I'm going to notice it goes from A1 to D15. A1 to D15. And I'm going to make that a little bit wider. Okay. I think I'm okay. So I'm going to save that now. So I've got my spreadsheet into Excel. This is what it's going to look like when we're done. So I'm going to close that one and I'm going to start a new file. And here's where it is. It's under Insert. I'm on the Insert tab and a linked object. And I'm going to create it from a file. Actually, I'm going to create a linked object from a file, and it's going to be this one that I just did. And I'm going to say OK. So there it is up there. And I've got a link saved, so I'm going to delete that really quick, and now I'm going to make a table. Insert, I think that's under Annotate, Table, from a data link. And I guess I have to go make that link again. Name. This is going to be my pipe sizing calc for Revit. There we go. So I'm going to go browse for that file. Link the entire sheet. I can link the sheet or I can just do the range. Link to a range. That's where I remembered that it was A1 to D15. And I can say OK. That's what it's going to look like. So there's my table. And then I can put it in somewhere. Whoa, that is so cool. What's really cool is if I change my Excel file and update this link, these will change. Okay, so now I have to save this file, save as, and I'm going to call this one pipe sizing calc for Revit detail. Got it. So now I can close it. I think I can even leave it open. So now, so there we go. The last thing is to get it into here. That's going to go in a detail view. So I have to go view and create a drafting view. And I'm going to make this a custom 1:1 scale. And I remember that it's supposed to sit in a box that's 6 by 6. 6" by 6". Now I can insert, and I'm going to link that CAD this time. Link the CAD. Pipe sizing calc for Revit detail. Open it all up. And showed up way down there. I double clicked my mouse wheel. So I'll click on it and unpin it. Move it up into shape. And it's a little bit too big. So here's how I fix it. I click on it. I edit the type. And I change the scale factor. I'll make it 0.8 to see if that fits. I think it will. That was the move command. There. That's got it. And you can see on your own if you can get it to change. There's an update thing to do on the insert. When you look at the manager, you'll need to be able to do this thing, and you'll have to be able to reload it. If something changes, you can click on it and you can reload it from its source. So that's how you'll get it to reload when you change. Manage links, insert tab, manage links, and you can see if you're able to get it to change somehow. Okay, there we go. That is it. Now, remember, I did this one using my practice ones. You're going to do it using your building. Okay, you're gonna use it your spreadsheet based on this building.